Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of the Rockwell Delta Table saw restoration. This is, like I said, the second part, so I will place a card on the screen now to take you back to the first part if you would like to check it out. We go over the story of how I acquired the table saw and then disassembly of all of the parts. In this video, we will be going through every part, deburring and cleaning and prepping for paint. Hope you guys are enjoying the series so far. If you are, let me know what you think in the comments below, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thanks, guys. I could start by cleaning the trunnion and trunnion brackets. Mainly here, I just kind of went over all of the surfaces, cleaned them with a little bit of vinegar, and then with the tongue and groove of the trunnion and trunnion brackets, I really focused on getting those smooth and de-rusted because that is what is involved with allowing the entire assembly to move left and right. Also made sure to deburr all of the rough edges. I could then move on to the Arbor assembly. Just went through every tooth with a brush as well as a Scotch-Brite pad, some vinegar, and just cleaning out everything really well. I just wanted to kind of get all the surfaces prepped for paint. And wanting to keep everything as original as possible, I wanted to use all of the original nuts, bolts, and washers. So I took most of those over to the drill press, cleaned those up with a wire wheel.
Bad feeling about this.
Some of the bolt threads were pretty damaged, so I wanted to go through, clean those up, rethread. With all of the internal parts ready for paint and cleaned up, I can focus on the outer parts. The case looked like it had some sort of spray adhesive all over it. As you guys can see here, it was pretty thick. I tried to scrape it off originally, but it wasn't working out too well. So I grabbed some paint stripper, sprayed that on there, let it sit for a while. And that made pretty easy work of it from that point. The front part had a cover on it, I'm guessing to help with dust collection. The original grate I'll show here on the front door had some holes in it, so I'm sure they probably took it out just for dust collection efficiency. But you could tell that there was a pretty thick layer of probably like an 1/8 inch thick plywood or something that they had stuck there, so I also wanted to scrape that off. And I sprayed another round of paint stripper. I got the inside as well. Once I got the thicker parts off of there, I could take the entire case outside and just pressure wash everything. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the part 2 video here. It looks like after reviewing the footage that there's going to be more of a probably 4-part series to this table saw restoration. Kind of want to keep all of the videos around the same length. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video so far. The next video will probably focus on restoring the cast iron top, derusting and deburring, prepping for paint, and then the video after that will probably be installation of the parts and seeing the table saw run for the first time. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the series so far. If you are on Instagram, make sure to check me out at DraysWorkShop and on Facebook at DraysWorkShop. And here are 2 other videos. I will link the first video on the left, and depending on when I upload the next video, the next one will be on the right, but I will throw a joiner restoration video up here for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe. So you stick around, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.